Cooking Couture Atlanta here with your baking tip for today. Okay, it's the difference between glass and metal pans. The glass heats up slower, but once it heats up, it's like super hot. It's hotter than the metal. So when you're using a glass dish, you want to reduce the temperature on the recipe about 5 to 10 degrees as to not overcook whatever it is that you're trying to cook, and to make sure that it cooks evenly. But the glass actually does distribute heat more evenly than the metal. Now, the metal heats up fast and it cools down fast, at least faster than the glass. And remember also that when you take it out the oven, it's still cooking, baking, cooking until the pan actually cools down. I have decided there's certain things I like to cook with metal and certain things I like to cook with glass. You have to make that determination for you. The easiest route is to use metal. That's what every recipe assumes that you're using.